pag-shoot ko sa Cebu, may naging fan ng Robin Jaworski. Nung nakita niyo yung ethics ng pagtatrabaho, itago ko na sa pangalang Shield Fred. Shield became a big fan of Robin kasi for a newcomer daw, napaka-natural ni Robin. We get to see the first episode later on, ha? Hi, Robby! Hi, Angelina!
Stop.
Okay, ayan po, Robin Jaworski. Together na parehong introducing sila dito, no, Shield, sa serye The Alibay. Magandang pagkakaisip ng combination na Robby and Angelina. Hi, Robby! Hi, Angelina! Please join me here. Pabigay ng mic. Feeling ko may dala tong kilig sa ano, pag napanood na natin. Angelina, welcome sa Blue Carpet tayo na Robby!
Hello, good afternoon everyone.
Okay. Ange, what can we expect from you sa first serie mo sa ABS-CBN? First mo to?
First teleserye po.
Okay, how was it? How was the experience?
Very challenging.
I can tell.
Very challenging, but ginawa ko naman.
Ganda niya. You should see her up close. Napakagandang bata.
The story is really nice po. I'm sure everyone will enjoy it.
Sabi ko nga, I asked one of the bosses namin sa ABS-CBN, ang ganda siguro ng plano sa actor na to kasi sinign up namin siya. Big plans. And finally, he is doing his first teleserye sa ABS-CBN. Robby Jaworski!
Hello po, good afternoon everyone.
Look so fit!
Thank you.
What did you do?
Wala, nagtatrabaho lang po tayo.
Just right, tama lang, di ba? What can we look forward sa iyo sa iyong first ever series, Robby?
Well, actually po dito sa unang experience namin, medyo kinakabahan nga po ako dahil ito yung magiging unang pagkataon na makikita ko yung sarili ko sa big screen. So I'm quite nervous, but what you can expect is you can expect a very interesting dynamic with Angelina and I. And makakaambag po kami sa pagbibigay ng gaan sa kwentong mabigat.
Binigyan kayo ng mahusay na director ng ABS-CBN.
Of course.
Ano, Angelina?
We'd like to...
Not FMR and Jojo.
Yes. Of course, I direct Donnie Blue.
Oo, nga pala. Sumalulit direct tally here. Okay. So I'll see you sa loob for our screening and MediaCon, Robby and Angelina.
Thank you
Please
so
join
much.
your co-actors there. Thank you. Ashil, parang naikinig sila. Wow. Nakaka-inspire lang kasi we are developing new faces, new artists. And thank you, Shaina, she's watching, for letting Sunshine Angelina na gawin ang kanyang first ever series sa ABS-CBN.
Robby!
Ganda.
Robby!
Ito ay look forward talaga. Sabi ko nga whenever the chance, sana mabigyan natin ito ng character roles. Kasi meron na working and ang husay-husay. And he has not changed for the last 20 years na kilala ko siya. Please welcome Rafael Rosel! Director ng Blue Carpet. Kuya Raya, Kuya Raya. Ayun lang, nagkakasin ko.
Ano ba yan? Nagpapirma pa? Sino pa yan? Diyos ko naman.
Ay,
La.
I've known him for the last more than 2 decades, but this actor has not changed. Sa ugali, professionalism, sobra. He has remained warm. Ang galing.
Tama na, dire-diretso na.
Bumalik siya sa ABS-CBN, parang bumalik lang din yung talagang how he was before nung nakakatrabaho pa namin siya 2.5 decades ago, and that is Rafael Rosel. Thank you sa management niya for always na pag-hinihingi namin, andyan si Rafael for us. Hi, Albert, Chicken Rosel.
Ala sa atin na naman.
The head out there. Hi, Ram! Hello! Intense sa trailer. Join me here. How are you? I'm good.
Everyone, thanks for coming. Thank you so much for this grand opportunity to be here in front of all all of you and for you to view this awesome series.
Again, thank you for always saying yes to a Dreamscape project.
Of course, always an honor and thank you for the trust.
Sobra. Very reliable. Sana magtuloy-tuloy na sa amin, Sir Rafael. What can we look forward to you here bukod sa napakakaiba yung character sa teaser that's a trailer that we have seen?
Well, story-wise, as in, ang ganda ng story. Personally, bilang isang cast member sa show na to, tuwing nagbabasa ako ng script, I always excited para malaman ko anong isusulat sa next script.
Medyo difficult daw ang mounting nito, Rap. Totoo ba? Kasi ang twisted daw ng...
Yeah, ang twisted ng story, ang twisted ng mga characters. So, abangan ninyo yung mga iba't ibang portrayal ng iba't ibang artista dito. As in, very, very entertaining.
How long have you been in showbiz, Rap?
Tinatanong ko.
I know, right? 20 years,
More than 2 decades.
I know, 2.5 decades. So,
Grabe
and
tayo.
still here, di ba? Regional
Still
Star
here.
Magic, Star Circle,
9.
9.
Yes.
See, and then gano'n lang naman ang buhay. Yes ka, mag-GMA ka, mag-Prime ka, ganyan po. And thank you always, Rap, for always saying yes to a Dreamscape.
Of course, thank you for having me. Thank you so much sa pagpunta ninyo dito. Maraming salamat sa all the love and support, lalo-lalo sa social media. Sobrang na-appreciate ko. Thank you
Would you
talaga.
like to thank the people of Cebu, di ba?
Yes, of course, lahat. Taga-Cebu ako eh.
Ah?
Cebu si Daddy eh. So, home city din namin yan. So, maraming salamat. Kung meron man dito na taga-Cebu, kung napapanood ng mga taga-Cebu dito, thank you so much for lending us your beautiful, beautiful environment and landscape. Kasi ang ganda at I think it's justified to the screen talaga sa pinapalabas. Mapapanood natin ang aliwalas talaga ng Cebu. Ang ganda.
Sarap bumalik-balik sa Cebu.
Yes.
Alright, thank you, Rap.
Thank you so much. Enjoy the show. Maraming salamat ulit. It's always an honor.
Okay. Thank you. Join your co-actors there as I call in the next batch of actor lead natin, actors natin. Happy ako, she's back. Ang husay nito eh. And she is gonna be matinding. Si Chile pa lang alam natin na the role she's portraying. Please welcome, Sophia Andres. Most beautiful actresses who has the most beautiful faces. Diba? One of the most beautiful faces sa showbiz. Sophia, napakaganda.
Hindi mo kayang tanongin kung isa sila ni Chico.
And I'm happy that she's back to doing series again, performing again. And here's a Dreamscape from video
Hindi mo kayang
from the Studios, The Alban. Ganda.
Siyempre hindi.
Naririnig po natin ang official soundtrack ng The Alban, produced, composed, and written by Mr. Music, Mr. Jonathan Manalo. Oh my God, look at Sophia. She's so beautiful.
Sophia! Kamusta ba kayo?
Hey, join me here, Sophie. I know. How are you? Welcome back sa Dreamscape and ABS-CBN Studios.
Thank you guys for coming. Sobrang appreciate namin yung presence nyo. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi kami...
Tapang mo naman dito.
Ha?
Tapang-tapang mo, nananampal ka.
Sobrang tapang. Kailangan ganun sa life.
Talaga.
Yes.
Did you prepare? Hindi kasi ganito eh. You've never portrayed a role as fierce as this before. So how did you prepare for the role dito, Sophia?
I had to watch some scenes from movies. Siyempre, kailangan ng pen.
Are you ready for the Kim Paho
Sabi
galit?
ko nga, wag niyo po akong i-hate. Sabi ko niyo po ako.
Mahal niya ang Kim Paho. She's your portraying a role.
Yeah.
Are you happy to be back?
I'm so happy to be back kasi syempre ang dami kong mga veterans na I really look up to.
Ilang years lang naman.
I mean, to be with Kim Pao, Tito John, Miss Jasa, Samuel D, Rafael Rosel, Miss Ava Moreno. I mean, like, sila na po yung mga
Naiintindihan ko naman you're coming from. The
inspiration.
challenge is so... Di ba?
The pressure is real.
The
so-
pressure is real, sabi niya. Pero sabi, ang husay mo raw, sabi ni Scott, the head of
Thank you
production.
guys so much. I really gave my best for this.
We will find out later. The pilot episode, mapapanood po natin sabay-sabay later
Yes.
on. Enjoy your co-actors there, Sophia.
Okay,
And makakasama
Thank
natin
you.
dyan sa MediaCon
Thank
tsaka
you,
sa
guys.
special screening inside. Thank you na. Okay, thank you. Kim, yan po guide. Okay. Hindi ko na nga alam kung paano i-intro ko to. Every time Dreamscape needs a reliable leading man, he is always there. He really is a reliable leading man. Please welcome the one and only Mr. Sam Milby!
Ate Jeng! Paawat ka naman. Tarik lang.
There he is!
Hawakan niyo si Ate Jeng!
Sam Milby in his fiercest role ever. We'll get to ask him later on once he gets here sa stage. Oh my God! Still!
Ayan na si
The
Jeng!
royal hotness is there! Mr. Sam Milby!
Baka talaga Ate Jeng.
He's always there for Dreamscape. That's one thing we appreciate about him. Akin na, hindi ko tumatanda yung Sam. Join me, Mr. Sam! Hello! Hello! Hello!
Always good to see you.
I know. Greet everyone,
Good afternoon po sa
Sam.
inyong lahat. Thank you guys so much for coming.
Mukhang ibang role mo dito, Sam, ha?
Kakaiba.
Correct.
Yes.
Trabaho mo daw to, I heard.
It was a challenge para sa akin. But I'm so excited for you guys to watch this thriller mystery, and I'm excited to see mga reactions ng mga tao.
I know.
Yes.
Thank you for always saying yes to doing a Dreamscape.
Of course,
project.
Dreamscape is, oh my gosh, they treat me
Love
so
ka
well. So
ng
thank you
Dreamscape
guys.
family mo.
Yes. I love them also.
Okay, and what can we expect aside from being a different character? You're playing what? What's your character,
I
Sam?
play the role of Walter Cunana.
The one who got the position, the CEO.
Yes, I got the CEO position. I am very smart, very cunning, deceitful also, and I would say revengeful.
Wow, yun eh.
Yeah. A damning revelations as the story goes on, so it's really exciting.
How do you feel working with Kim and Paolo? Who are
It's
you?
been a great time.
I know, friends mo sila eh, di ba?
Yes, I think kami ni Kimmy, we've only done like a Your Song before, so super tagal na yun.
18
With
years
Paolo,
ago.
I did work with him, with Anthony Quinto, kahit konting patingin.
KKP,
Tagal
I
na nun,
remember.
yeah. So it's been great working with them again. And yeah, it's a beautiful story. So I'm excited.
We look forward to watching you on the 7th of November sa
7th
Prime.
November, yes.
And later on, mapapanood din namin ang pilot episode with some of the members of the press and your fans. Join your co-actors there, Sam, please.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sam. Oh my God, Hamis Caress ng Cornerstone. Thank you, ha. Hi, si RN. Alam mo, every time magkikita kami, kasi she's always been a Dreamscape baby, pero medyo nawala siya sa eksena sa pag-arte a couple of years ago. But I'm happy na sabi ko, finally she said yes to acting again. The divine diva herself, Shasha Padilla! Ang cool ni Shasha sa stage. Yes, oo nga!
Chantal pa daw.
Ikaw ni Shasha!
Chantal pa, tatawagin niyo Chantal.
My goodness, I'm happy seeing her again. And I will be happier seeing her acting again sa Friday once we start watching her sa ating ba sa Friday sa Friday. Honestly, join me here! But yes, looking lovely! CCP! Hello, Missy! Oh, good.
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. So happy to see all of you here.
Welcome back sa Dreamscape!
Wow, acting again in Dreamscape.
Ano bang huli mo, sorry?
Kay Kim din. The story
Thy Woman?
Love Thy Woman.
Correct!
Nag-back-to-back din kami with Kim.
I know. Thank you for saying yes to doing this.
Yeah, oh my God. I'm so happy kasi napakaganda ng movie.
I know naman maganda relationship with Mr. Deo before, di ba?
Yeah,
Kayo
wala.
yung, he would always put you
That's right.
in a perfect role eh.
Oo.
And I'm happy that you're
Medyo
back.
nahinto ako na nabanggit mo kasi nag-pandemic, nahiya ako sa partner ko. Siyempre, hindi siya taga-showbiz.
I have to have time for him, di ba?
Oo, kasi nauso yung lockdown.
Correct.
Oo, so, nahinto mo na.
So yun din palang reason. But happy they are back. Sana tuloy-tuloy na.
Yes.
Although on the side, andyan pa rin naman ang first love niya, which is singing,
He's very
recording.
supportive naman. So, he says, no, it's okay.
Busy, parang magandang role mo din.
Yes, sobrang ganda.
Dikit kanino?
Sa buong pamilya kasi, I have 3 sons na Cabreras.
Anak mo si...
Yes, anak ko si Pao.
Si Robbie. Wow.
And yun, so makikita yung yung love ng isang nanay na minsan mali na din yung ginagawa. Pero
Wow.
dahil sa pagmamahal sa anak, sobrang protective sa pamilya. Kasi yun yung buhay niya.
Ang ganda ng anchor pala ng show, ano? Family pa rin talaga, ano?
That's true.
Good to see you tonight, Izzy. I'll see you. Join your co-actors. We will later on. Thank you, Izzy. Okay. Izzy, stay ka lang dyan sa gitna. Isang photo op lang. Ayan. The members of the media are covering today's blue carpet. Ang ganda pa din talaga ni Izzy. Okay, as I call in an internationally acclaimed actor, award-winning actor, ang laki ng serye pagkasama to sa serye, ang laki ng biggest factor pagkasama to sa isang serye. Please welcome si John Arcilla!
Hindi, habol sa kanila sa kanila. Habol! Yayaman tayo.
Yayaman tayo. Ano yun yung sabi niya?
Habol, yayaman tayo. Sa ano yun, di ba? Nalabas nila media. Ako na, kaya ko. Track tayo. Manahimik ka lang dyan, video ka lang dyan. Kahit ayaw mo, kahit ayaw mo makakunig.
Arcilla! We waited long, but the way he's worth it is part of the alibi, which makes this series even more exciting. The real presence of this leader natin sa episode, si John Arcilla. Kuya John! The award-winning John Arcilla, please greet everyone.
Hello po. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Good afternoon, everyone. And thank you for coming.
Iba na naman ang bibigay mo dito. Lagi namang iba, pero bigyan mo kami ng glimpse of what can we expect from you.
Well, genuine na magmahal si Arthur. Kaya lang, by hook or by crook, ipoprotect niya yung mahal niya sa buhay kahit anong paraan.
So, asawa mo si Lizzie.
Yes, yes, yes. And sobrang nainlove ako sa Kim Pao. And nainlove ako siyempre din sa pamilya ko. Kay Sofia Andres, kay Rafael Rosel, kay Robbie. And alam mo, nainlove ako kay Rasha Padilla.
Talaga.
Ibang klase.
I was
Ibang,
looking at her kanina up close dito sa talaga ni Lizzie.
ibang klase. Napaka-natural ng elegance. At saka isang mahusay na actress.
Totoo naman.
Hindi ko lang sasabihin divine diva, pero talagang one of the best actresses in the Philippines, Selena, or Philippine industry.
You are a world-class actor, Kuya John. And always, on behalf of the Dreamscape Management, thank you for always saying yes to a Dreamscape project.
Oh, syempre naman, pamilya natin to.
At saka ang proper niya, pag may gagawin siya sa ibang station, ang papaalam din siya sa mga boss. Ang galing, di ba? Yung iba yung tatanggap agad. Pero siya talaga nagpapasabi. I will be gone for 3 months.
Yes!
Tapos, dito lang ako. Ando naman lagi yung offers.
Gano'n naman tayo sa kapamilya, hindi ba?
Yeah!
Tama ba? Mahal natin ang kapamilya, hindi ba?
Thank you, Sir John. Please join your co-actor sa Cinema 6. As I na po sa loob, as I call in another leader natin sa ABS-CBN. Please.
Alright, thank you so much po. And November 7, Prime Video. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sir John. Please. Okay.
Ayan na, why
Diretso
na?
na po. Pakiguide si Sir John, please.
Ayan na, why na?
I can see members of the media na nagko-cover na dito. Thank you, ha.
Ayan na, why na?
Kanilina, Sensei.